Hi, let's come to meet Mr. R, the operation and maintenance engineer of large company. Every day, he has to deal with complicated network management work. Preventing cyber attacks is an important part of it. One day, the network was under DDoS attack from an unknown source. The CPU utilization of network devices was rocketing up unreasonably. Mr. R immediately began emergency protection of the network devices, but he found that nothing could be done because of excessive CPU utilization. Helplessly, he could only watch the network paralyzed. Since no effective network protection features were supported by the devices, business was interrupted eventually. And Mr. R, therefore, was severely criticized by leaders. Let's have a look at Mr. J, who's also the operation and maintenance engineer of a large company. His story was totally different. Mr. J noticed all network equipment selected by the company could widely support a dynamic network protection feature called NFPP, and the prevention protection policy had been enabled. The magical thing happened. NFPP detected the DDoS attacks in the network. Mr. J was impressed by the NFPP network protection feature as the attack was mitigated effectively. More than that, NFPP provided the audit trail log to identify the attacker's address. Mr. J finally traced that the attack was originated from the staff's laptop with virus. Consequently, what's waiting for Mr. J was the leader's abundant prize. Why did Mr. R and Mr. J have different results when under attacks? What exactly did Mr. J's companies use? CPP and NFPP are the patented network security protection features by Ruijie networks to detect and mitigate network attacks. CPP can identify the packets sent to the control plane and limit the rate of the overwhelmed traffic at hardware level to prevent the CPU from overloaded, prevent malicious attacks, and avoid resource consumption. This is the same situation as Mr. R's. As the network is under malicious attack, the CPU is occupied by illegitimate traffic, thus resulting in the failure of entering switch console and providing troubleshooting to the network. The reason is that the switch is fully utilized in processing illegitimate packets, thus not able to process normal packets in time. In addition, NFPP provides dynamic network protection against malicious DDoS attacks, isolating the packets and limiting the traffic rate according to the configure policy. When Mr. J's network was under malicious attack, the network was protected by CPP and NFPP function. Security is always the core for network operations. The two patented technologies, CPP and NFPP, are the unbreakable shield especially designed for network switches, greatly enhancing the ability to defend against cyber attacks. Full suite of Ruijie switch products support both CPP and NFPP technologies. CPP and NFPP give you high security and put you at ease.